Look how sweet that is. Epic proportions. Right here with Cameron. Hell yeah, I'm recording it. Look at this water flowing down. Oh my lord. Yee! Yee! That way. That way.
Yeah, baby.
Woo! Take one. There it is, bud. Getting shooting out of the game. Yee! That way. That way. Look how fucking... Dude, look how just violent that is, man. It's just so violent, but so beautiful. So violent, but so beautiful. Going in the cave. Cave living. Waterproof shoes. Woo! Woo! That way.
That way.
Yeah, they are. You know what's cool is my GoPro is waterproof too. So, dude, this is cool. So, we're getting all that giraffe. So, yeah, right now we're going to this big old tunnel.
It's cold. It's gotta be.
Yeah, but it feels good. It's refreshing. Refreshing cold. That way. That's cool.
That's awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, it's got some good charge already. There it is, people. Campsite. Beautiful views. Beautiful view. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gonna go look for some fish. Let's get out of spot today. Alright, ready to start podcasting?
What?
Ready to start podcasting?
Yeah.
What are we gonna start vlogging about? Vlogging about? I don't know.
I don't know. I still sound like a fucking weirdo. You still,
I don't know. I don't
feel like a weirdo
well,
still?
No, I don't feel like a weirdo at all. I feel like everybody's weird in their own sense of way. Like, I mean, what normal person do you really know? Like, normal. Like, I mean, what do you consider normal? Woo! All right, measure. Cameron, catch the video.
Oh my gosh. That was very reckless of you. It's beautiful out here. Not my hair. The actual nature of it all is beautiful. I don't know if you're upright or skewed to the left. I don't know how this camera works. But if you can see this, it's pretty cool. There's Gio, he made it. Woo! How good is the sound on this thing? Am I just talking to myself?
No, it's great.
Cool. Let's go.
Whoa.
Power. That is power at its purest form. Power. Oh my god.
Crazy. I don't care who you are, you're not getting out of that. That's taking you where it wants it. It's crazy to think that water can be so destructive, but yet you can't live without it. No, you don't, you liar. Look at this, it's a monster. It is a fucking monster. I don't know if you can exactly see that, but it is a monster. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's strike through it. Absolute monster. Absolute monster, bro. Monster. Can't describe it. That's a feeling.